Why are you drawing on the walls? No ensucies la pared, mira, límpiale. Good morning. Link woke up, I think like at 8. Well, he woke up at 6:30, so I gave him milk and he went back to sleep. But I couldn't, so I stayed awake and I finished editing the video that I didn't finish last night. So now I'm making his breakfast and I'm gonna make mine. I was thinking about having pancakes or crepes. I don't know. What is this? What? So we're in G's room, well, the boys' room now, because Link officially has all his clothes in here. So it's your room too, huh? Yeah, it's your room. Your room? Ow. He's too rough sometimes. Oh, that hurt. You gonna see brother? Where's G? Where's G? G! And today we're gonna go get G. He's at his dad's. So we're gonna go get him today. A brother! This morning I wanted to try the pancakes a little bit different, so I made like some sort of crepe and it seemed to be pretty good. We'll see right now. Pues, este es mi desayuno. Con mi cafecito, con mi gordito, with my baby. Yeah. Do you have poop? Hey, ¿tienes poop? Do you have poop? You're not gonna do it anymore, huh? You'll be carrying my phone every day, all day. Yeah. Smarty boy. Link just used me to get out of his chair and go eat over there. I guess he didn't want to eat with me. Why are you drawing on the walls? No ensucies la pared, mira, límpiale. Ándale. Toma. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. The babe wanted biscuits and gravy, and he got biscuits and gravy.
Heck yeah.
All under the compliance of the program, which is awesome. Ready? Get up here. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Prepping our meals to go. We have to go pick up G, so we kind of don't wanna go eat out because right now we're still kind of getting used to the program and everything that we have to eat. So it's just trying to avoid any temptation, and I mean we're not even down to the first week yet. So we're just trying to stay on track and keep it light, keep it clean. And I'm making beef and broccoli. So those are our greens here, which is cauliflower rice, which is amazing, and the beef and broccoli. This is for the 3 of us, and I think we're gonna take a plate for G. I don't know if he already ate. That way he can eat. He doesn't really like the broccoli part, but he likes the meat, so I'm gonna take that. And I don't know, so far so good. You feeling good, babe? Babe,
Huh?
you feeling good?
I feel great.
I'm down to 14 pounds, and it's what, barely day day 6. So 1 day away from the week, but it's amazing how much. And right now the energy is kicking back in. I mean, it wasn't bad, I wasn't drained, but I can feel like energized and I want to do a lot of things. But I'm not supposed to exercise until after week 3, right?
2 or 3 weeks, yeah.
So I'm taking it easy, just enjoying spending time with them and working a little. So it's pretty good so far. I'm excited. I can feel like my cheeks are not as big, and I don't know, it's a pretty good deal. So this is what we're taking. We just got here to pick up G. We're gonna go get him right now. We're gonna walk around warmer so my back doesn't hurt. Oh, he has a cracker. Hi, Link. We're gonna go see Papa. Lunch snack. Lunchtime. We're really hungry right now. Really hungry. Kio's having filthy thoughts.
Well, I had to buy it.
We're at Target right now.
Talking to yourself.
Because I'm crazy. Or just looking for a couple of things, and because you cannot not go to Target when you get a chance.